11 years.
Now that's lost. Hey kid, it's time to give up.
No, I'm gonna find them.
That's something I have in 1928.
What?
Optimism.
Optimism? What have we got to be optimistic about? Look at us. Life's a nightmare.
Well, you gotta have a dream
Traffic rattling around, right?
to wake you up from your nightmare.
Empty pockets?
At least you got pockets.
Freezing fingers?
Lucky you got them empty pockets.
Newspapers for blankets?
You can read in bed.
Hey kid, you should do this.
Yeah, you should have run against Roosevelt.
Hey, guys, listen to this. Today in an interview,